I work with restoration sales reps all over the country, and there's something very interesting going on. There's a huge shift with local insurance agents getting back to the point where they were years ago, getting involved in claims. And I'll tell you more in just a minute. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos, and I coach restoration folks all over the country because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in the business, and to build something that they can sell someday or feel really good about passing on to the next generation. So what am I talking about? What's going on in the insurance world that I'm seeing through working with reps all over the country? Well, it's no surprise if you look at the news, it's no surprise that premiums have been skyrocketing, that carriers are pulling out of markets, they're non-renewing, dropping people, and people are choosing higher deductibles on a regular basis because they're trying to save premium, right? None of that's a surprise. So how does this apply? Well, agents who are really concerned about growing their business, concerned about retention, concerned about referrals, getting new clients, are encouraging clients to reach out to them before they are quick to call the 800 number, right? Quick to file that claim. And why is that? Well, one is they realize that they've got to provide value to their clients. They realize that more and more, like, it's not going away. People are buying insurance online, right? So if their local agent provides no value, why wouldn't they just buy insurance online, right? So that's number one. The other thing is they feel like if they have a very high deductible, it just doesn't make sense for them to be quick to call in a claim. Get a restoration company out there first to take a look and see if it makes sense. If you don't know what a clue report is, C-L-U-E, do a quick Google search and you'll find out. Or I've got 2 articles on it. Send me an email. I'll send them to you. But a clue report is basically a Carfax for a house. And there's something called a zero paid claim. So if your client, if you're an insurance agent, your client has a high deductible, they file a claim and it's under their deductible, they're still going to have a claim on their clue report. And that doesn't help anybody. Here's the other thing. When your client has a claim, right, and I'm talking to insurance agents, when your client has a claim, this is a huge opportunity for you to shine, right? Because it's really the only time they need you. Sure, they get your advice when it comes time to make decisions on coverages, right? And how they should build their homeowner's policy, their auto coverage. But when they have a claim, that's when they really need somebody like you to talk to, right? So again, agents that are really concerned about growing their business are encouraging their clients to call them, right? The other thing is be their advocate during the claims process. Carriers have become more and more tight with money. It's just the reality, right? I don't think anybody would disagree with that. And your client needs an advocate, right? So if you're working with a restoration company that can be your eyes and ears, let you know how your client is feeling about their claims experience. Are they getting what they feel they truly deserve throughout the claims process in terms of service, callbacks from adjusters? How about a fair estimate so they can get their repairs done and put them back to pre-loss condition? If you're not aware of what's going on, if the restoration company isn't keeping you informed, maybe it's because you don't have a relationship with them, and you should reach out to one if they're not reaching out to you to build that relationship so you know what's going on, so you can protect, so that they can help you protect that relationship that you've worked so hard to develop, right? It's not easy to get new clients, I'm sure. I'm not in the insurance industry, but I can only imagine how difficult it is today to build your book of business and to retain, right? So when it comes claim time, take that extra couple of minutes and get involved a little bit. Don't just send them to the 800 number. You're hurting yourself, and you're not giving the client the service that they really need. If If you have any questions, don't hesitate, reach out, and I'll see you in the next video.